We're at a H1 Hummer in the dark out here, and now we're going to turn on some lights. So that is the, let's see just the headlights. Can we just see the headlights? So this is headlights. You know, these are actually good headlights. They're LEDs. They're bright. This is what you see with your headlights on. Not bad until we turn that on. So this is like turning on the sun right here. That's your headlights, and here comes the sun. So quite a difference. A lot of safety with these things. You can really see where you're going. Again, headlights. And now there's somebody else's headlights. You can see up right there. And then here's the new ones that are on top of the truck. So you can see headlights and the center bumper one, and then the one on top, which is just the absolute crazy bright light. Right here. Yeah, it just basically turns into the sun. If I turn around, it takes this dark street and just lights it up all the way down the road. And this is got a big curve to it, so it is hitting. You see a shadow over here, and you can see my shadow. So this is really doing a good job of lighting up the side. Also, while we're at it, okay, there's your example of somebody being lit up. Okay, turn off and just have the headlights. That's headlights. Hit the other lights. Yeah, big difference. We also got some LED markers in here too, which are really intense. The LEDs are really a lot brighter. We're going to be upgrading these to LEDs, and these here. Regular headlights in front, doing the job kind of until you see the other ones we turn on. That's just night and day difference. Literally. Headlights, and then the big ones. Anyways, another install at NBS Auto Showroom, Milpitas, California, 88768.